It's Jeff at stockideas.org, and I just want to do a very quick video to show you some of the best stock news and investing websites, especially for individual or retail investors who are just getting started. So you can kind of see in the tab here what I'm about to show you, and I'm just going to quickly bang through each one and show you, my favorite aspects of all of these sites. So Seeking Alpha. The thing I like about Seeking Alpha is that it gives you a really comprehensive picture for any stock. So if you were to type in Apple, for example, as a stock you were interested in, you bring up this Apple page that shows you, not only Apple versus ETFs and, the quote and the chart and all of that kind of stuff, but why Apple, might be a buy or might be a sell. They also have all the conference call transcripts which you can read, and news related press releases that are related, and then a comprehensive look at any given stock. Now, just to give you an idea, you do probably want to sign up for a Seeking Alpha account. It's free, and it allows you to just read all of the content. You can also get a pro account, but I haven't gone that far. There's a ton of information just in the focus and in the transcripts and in the news releases. So, and if you sign up to email alerts, you'll always get notified when something new is posted. So this is a great way to stay on top of, what a lot of people are saying about one individual issue. Now, if you're just getting started out trading, another great website to check out is Investopedia. Not only they have a ton of content, just basic dictionaries, articles, tutorials. There's a ton of stuff on all kinds of different markets. But the thing that Investopedia does really well is the stock simulator. So this is my stock simulator. I started 5 years ago or something with $100,000. We're up to 227. You can see the annual return. And I haven't really done much with it in the last couple of years, as I've obviously been trading my own book much more thoroughly. But when I was getting started, 6 or 7 years ago, this was a really, really great tool for me to, kind of test out my stock picks and test out my theses and say, okay, I think Apple's going to go up for these reasons, so I'm going to buy a couple shares of it, and then watching it go up. So really, really great learning experience, and there are a ton of games, different ones. So, if you want to trade options, there's an options games. I think you just click join game, and you can browse through, all of the different games that have different parameters, that have different starting amounts of money, that might have different currencies, that might have an end date. I like the no end ones because you can kind of just buy and hold forever. But, if you're looking for a stock simulator, Investopedia is a great way to do it. Now, if you're also just getting started out, the Motley Fool provides quite a bit of practical evidence, practical insight and education for the individual investor and the retail investor, particularly if you're just getting started. The how to invest section is interesting. There's a lot of good personal finance news, and these kind of 13 steps to get you started are pretty interesting. So, definitely recommended. There's a ton of content here. There's a lot of individual analysis of stocks as well, but the focus, I don't use this site as much anymore. When I was getting started out, it was helpful for me, though, to sort of orient and get a picture of the entire investment landscape and what my options were. So if you're looking to kind of just get educated to a baseline level of what your options are, if you're deciding if you should use a personal financial advisor or manage your money yourself, this is a great place to start. Now, lastly, I just want to show you Stocktwits.com. You're probably familiar with it, and it's kind of a site like Twitter, but exclusively focused on finance, trading, and investing. So definitely encourage you to follow me at jworthy. And you can tailor your stream. You can follow who you want. You can follow both people and stocks. So any mentions by people you follow or about stocks that you follow will appear in your stream. If you're a technical analyst, you can just sort by charts. If you're looking for links, you can just sort by links. So it's a really good, and you can change. Right now I'm showing people and stocks, but there's also, suggested people to follow. There's trending stocks. You can look at Forex or even private companies. So definitely a ton of options, and it's something that you can tailor to, your personal preferences. But Stocktwits is great because, not only do you get exposed to a lot of different ideas about the stocks you're interested in, but there's also real people that you can talk to in real time. So I hope that's helped give you an idea of some of my favorite, finance, news, and investing websites, especially for individual and retail traders who are just getting started. I do encourage you to sign up at Investopedia, at Stocktwits, and Seeking Alpha. If you think the services could be helpful to you, they're great websites. So definitely check them out. And for more information and analysis, you can visit stockideas.org. Thanks very much.